We in Moab, Utah.
Oh yeah, traveling.
How come, bud? Good boy.
It's slippery in the moss. He's like, ah!
He's like, I want to go swim again. Oh, there he goes.
She's like going berserk over this ball. What are you gonna do?
I just want to live here. This water is perfect.
You wanna live down by the river?
Yeah. Set up a tent right up there.
We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, I cannot go wrong.
What are you doing?
Getting a quesadilla.
Oh gosh. What do you have?
We got some quesadillas here from Quesadilla Mobilla. So had really good reviews. Give her a little taste out. There was a lot of people here when we got here, so can't be too bad. That looks delicious. It's kind of like chicken tortilla soup, kind of.
But in a quesadilla. Can I try it?
I think that's gonna be the hot.
I like this one.
Yep.
What's that?
How are the Dias?
They were delicious. Depending on how hungry you are, you could definitely split one because they're way more filling than they look. But we saw these people walk by with these amazing looking like snow cone thing. We're trying to see if it's from this little food truck park. So we're gonna go look and see if we can find an ice treat. You wanna try to share one?
Yeah, I think one's probably enough. We got the Kona Sunset. Mango, guava, and passion fruit.
Nice.
This place looks like it's pretty bumping at night. It'd be pretty fun to come out here when it's all dark and cool and the lights are lit. It's 106 degrees Fahrenheit today. It is toasty outside. Some ice will go nicely down in the tum-tums.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day. You too.
Yeah. Should have gotten large.
Yeah, this is too small. Put it next to your head. Yeah, and you have a big head, so.
I don't know if you're gonna have any.
Oh, stop.
Time for some ice. It's the spot on a 106 degree day.
The change in scenery from like driving through Colorado, so just even like the town of Grand Junction here to Moab, which really is not super far, is just insane. Like how much the terrain just changes. Pretty much as soon as you get past the Rockies, it's just like Utah. Which I mean, like I get that it's literally like Utah when you get past the Rockies, but there's no mistaking where you're at. It's pretty crazy, just like the abrupt change, I feel like. It's almost gone.
I can take that in all one shot.
Do it. It's gonna get all over you.
That was delicious.
Oh yeah, we forgot. We didn't film this morning. So basically today, we went to a fossil store and Adam got a shark necklace. Whoa, 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 where are you going? Show me your shark necklace.
It's a Ododon.
Anyway, I'm not a paleontologist, so I'm not gonna pretend like I know what I'm talking about. And then we went over to the creek, probably want to take the dogs there. So we just kind of wanted to like check it out, see how long the trail to get to it was and all that to see how accessible it was for them. So much water. Oh, my nose. Oh my god. It's not COVID, guys, it's the water. And now we're gonna go check out a grocery store that's like a collective, like local people's produce and stuff. We'll check it out and see what it's like. See ya there.
Mask up. Strap it or ticket. Now I'm safe from the COVID. Let's do it. It smells delicious. It smells like
It smells like
fresh.
cool. Brushies. Check out homegrown garlic. That's awesome.
None of them seem quite ready.
They don't need to be ready.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Look at all these nuts.
That's nuts.
Adam,
What?
do you know what tastes good in your mouth?
What?
These nuts.
You're nutty.
Come on, that was good.
So the blue ox then? Is that what you decided?
Yeah, you gotta feel them. Some of them are squished.
Individual basis.
Whoa. That's a big garlic.
Oh, my head is not the ultimate comparison.
This is a big onion. Forever more on this channel, when I try to show you the size of something, we will always do it in reference of Adam's head. Jeez. This is such a cute little store.
Yeah. Cool.
That's so cool.
Bulk liquids.
And then you can get like refillable jars, so you're not wasting. Liquid aminos? What is that? Someone tell me what that is. I've never heard of it. This is so cool. Hey Adam, you know what you smell like?
What?
These nuts.
Not even. It's like one.
Got him.
I smell like nuts.
I don't know. Well, now it's just some regular stuff. I think we should go. Look. Look, we could grind up things. I love this store. You don't need another coffee press. Put it back. Alright, we gotta go.
Oh, now we gotta go. As soon as I start.
We gotta go. It's time to go. Look
Why
at
is-
these little bead
Why is the
glasses.
floor cup?
Look at how little this glass is.
Get out of here.
Well, I think that about does it for this store. So we'll see you later.
Today we're taking the dogs to Mill Creek. It's right outside of Moab. It's like a mile and a half down the road. There's a waterfall and it's a really short hike. And we thought this would be a really great opportunity for the dogs to get out in 100-degree temperatures.
Why is it a good opportunity for them to be out in 100-degree
I don't
temperatures?
think this was the right direction. I went the wrong way. Generally, when it's 100+ degrees, it's really hot for the dogs' paw pads. It's really nice when there's a hike that they can cool off as well. With Delilah and her new muzzle training, we thought that it was a good opportunity for her to have a nice, fun excursion getting out without it being too long to having to be in the muzzle. Let's go check it out. We're going up this dirt road here to get there.
Dun, 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 doggies! You guys are gonna have so much fun. Everything is so pretty here in person, and then I look at it on the camera and it doesn't look as cool.
Lots of people here today. Not as many as yesterday, though. You ready to go, Mr. Booga, sir? Getting all sunscreened up.
Her tail on her neck. She's like, get off me. Are you guys ready? Oh, I don't think so.
Don't let him fool you. This doggy has AC. He acts like it's a zillion degrees in there, but it's a cool 75. Hello? Hello?
The dirt feels pretty cool. I mean, I could comfortably walk on it barefoot, so I don't really worry about the dogs right now. We'll keep checking it as the day progresses.
Lila, you already made a poopy.
It's called I Haven't Pooped in 2 days.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, let's keep going. Good check, Delilah.
I think this is gonna be a little stressful getting down.
We got to do some doggy free climbing to get down to the waterfall.
People suck. Like, there's so much broken glass right here.
I know.
When you come to places like this, please don't be that person that breaks glass, and just don't bring glass. Bring other things, and don't leave your freaking trash behind, because it really sucks, man. I don't know. I'm done preaching, but all right, I think this is where I say goodbye to my shoe.
Oh, the water looks so nice. Looks so amazing. I think I should go down first.
And I'll just take them. So Adam has to help me down too, because I'm a little scaredy cat and I'm short, dude.
Just like hop onto my shoulders, basically.
You got me. All right, we're here. It's gonna suck getting back up again.
When we get back up, they can just walk back up that staircase that
Yeah.
I came down. I don't think a lot of the families are actually coming down here too.
No, because,
It's too hard with kids.
yeah, it is. All right, buddy. We'll be free. Enjoy yourself. I wish we could let you be free, but this is a lot of freedom still. And we'll make sure you have a good day.
Careful, Baloo. You're too crazy.
Are you gonna get in, bud?
I'll go, bro. Good boy.
It's slippery in the moss. He's like, ah! She might need a little help figuring out how to get over there.
Delilah, okay. Come here.
What are you doing, Baloo? Baloo, get in. Get in, buddy. Don't drink it. Oh, there we go. He might need help. It's just so slippery with the moss.
Delilah, wait.
Hi, buddy. Baloo's like totally in his element.
Oh, he's loving it.
Baloo, stop shaking on me. Go away. God, it was so nice up here, and now it's just like covered in Baloo water. Delilah's enjoying it a little bit, but not the water, maybe. You would be so cool if you went in the water. Like, cooled off. You're cool. You're cool anyway. You're already cool. Maybe you should go in that like pool over there. Oh my god! I didn't know he could jump that far. Oh my god, Baloo! Oh, Lila wants to come in. Baloo, go to him.
I don't want him to jump off this.
He could.
That was so funny that that was far.
Yeah, I know. It really was. It's really slippery, and that's why Baloo's apprehensive about it. When you get in the water, there's just like so much moss as soon as you touch the rocks that are underwater, basically. Which I know isn't like a crazy thing, but it's just super slippery, and it's on like every single rock.
Lila, good. Are you a good girl? Are you a good settle? Baloo, come on in, bud. You know how to swim.
Good. Good lady. Come on.
Go sideways, you idiot.
Okay, honey, you're fine.
You want to go venture up now that we're all over here with the dogs up to the waterfall?
Yeah, I think that would be good. Delilah's doing really good. She seems to like the shallower water, just not the deep pools and the slipperiness, but...
Baloo's having too much fun over there.
He's like, I want to go swim again. Oh, there he goes.
All right, Baloo, let's go, buddy. Oh, Delilah found the swim. I know, you got sticks. All right, one dog down. All right, Lila.
I got you, Delilah.
She's like swimming. Good Lila, good girl.
Oh.
Good Lila. This is so pretty, you guys. We're almost at the waterfall. Lila!
She's like on the last edge. Baloo! Hey, buddy.
Come on.
Oh my god.
Good girl. Good Lila. Woohoo!
Yeah, Lila.
Lila, good girl.
Good girl.
Good, Lila. Yay! This water's pretty clear.
Oh, it's beautiful. It felt so good to jump into it down there. Oh my goodness.
Good girl, Lila. Good settle. She's like, it's so deep. Lila didn't want to get in the water.
This little pool right here is like her speed all the way. Good boy, Baloo.
waterfall. They were worried about you.
So, since there's nobody around, we're gonna keep Delilah on leash and let her muzzle off, and we'll just be very vigilant after that.
But we're literally in a spot that nobody can just appear out of nowhere. It's very much like she's still gonna be on leash, but we're gonna let her play fetch just a little bit.
You ready? Woohoo! Go get it.
Good, Lila! Woohoo!
Go get it. Oh, you got it, Lila. Go get it. Woohoo! Good girl. Good girl. That was so good.
Good boy, Balloon.
Okay, Lila, time to put your muzzle back on.
Good girl. Let's go, Baloo. Yeah, that was fun. Yeah. It's so fun.
Hurry up.
I think my butt's too fat. Oh, too fat. That was not a me size at all. Baloo, Krista Blue is trying to follow you.
No. Two-legged people only.
He's like, don't tread on me.
Lila, come here, honey. Come here. Come here.
Baloo, go ahead. This is a big old slide right here. This is like
Yeah, I'm sure.
perfect.
Or not. Good girl.
She's like my squishy.
Good girl. Good drink, Lila.
Good boy.
That's it? You don't want anything?
He's like, I've been drinking water all day. This little overhang is some nice shade. Oh my gosh.
That's hot. The pups had a treat. We had a treat. We all got water. I think we're gonna go hang out in this little pool for a little bit and then head home. What do you think?
Sounds like a plan to me.
Incoming Baloo. 3. Go Baloo. How was it?
Refreshing. It feels good. It's so hot out here. 2, 1.
We swimming in the river. Big old dragonfly just flew at my head.
Oh, nice. Yeah, he'll like that. Throw it down to me.
Go get it.
Got it? Boy.
Da-na-na-na. What are you doing, Delilah?
He went to chase a rock, but of course that sunk, so I threw the ball out there so he could feel accomplished.
Yeah. My feet are getting all muddy in the water. I don't know about that, Baloo.
He did it already.
Goodness. Delilah. She's like, why can't I grab it? Ah. They need to invent a muzzle that comes with like a toy that like magnetizes to the front of the muzzle or something.
Like fits in the grooves or something?
Yeah. My goodness. She's like going berserk over this ball.
I just want to live here. This water is perfect.
You want to live down by the river?
Yeah. Set up a tent right up there.
You know, he's been doing that. He keeps rolling his ball down the hill and then jumping in to get it. Oh, there he goes. There he goes again. Why did you do it down this one? You just got it stuck in the weeds, Baloo. What are you gonna do? All right, do you see it? It's higher up.
He's on the right track.
Good job, buddy.
It's been a fun day down here at the creek. I'm sure we'll be back. But the waterfall was beautiful. The creek water is perfect. And the natural slides were a fun surprise.
Over here. You idiot. You have no survival skills.
There you go. Hold on, Delilah.
Come on, buddy. Baloo, come on. Baloo, come here. Good boy, come here. Come on, honey. Delilah, come here. Come here. You good?
Sand's a little too hot, so we're gonna run the dogs back to the car. We'll update you there. What's Boogie? Got the dog bag that we stashed before we went down. Throw your poop away.
Oh, so the dirt up here is much cooler than the hot rocks, so we were able to set the dogs down and let them walk a little bit more of the way. Apparently, Delilah's trying to explore. Maybe she has to poop. The dirt up here, we checked when we got up here, it's a lot cooler than the rocks by the edge of the canyon, so that's good. Oh, there's Baloo pooping. All right, guys, we just got back to the car. The dog had a great day, so did we, huh?
Yeah, no, it was fun. Baloo's poop actually got run over by a car before I got back to it, so.
Oh my God, are you serious?
I just picked up a pancake. All good.
We had a great day. If you're in Moab, you should definitely come to Mill Creek Waterfall. It was really fun. Definitely a super good highlight. And yeah, if you have any dogs like Delilah and you're pretty able-bodied, you know, just check out the canyon ahead of time maybe, and like make sure you can get down and up by yourself. And if you feel comfortable taking your dogs down with you, definitely do it, because even Delilah, as timid as she is, she had a blast. Baloo definitely had a blast. We had so much fun.
I had a blast, if I could speak. But be sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button. If you like this video, click the notification bell so that you can get more videos just like this one. We like to take these pups everywhere, so join us along for the adventure.
Bye guys, see you next week.